Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can book international cheap flights from Australia. Now, to book your cheap international flights, you want to consider booking in advance, being flexible with your travel dates and destination, and utilizing comparison websites and tools. Mid-year is often a cheaper month to travel internationally, and flying midweek or during off-peak seasons can also lead to savings. Now, once again, you want to book in advance. For domestic flights, it's going to be 1 to 3 months in advance, and for international, it's going to be at least 3 to 6 months in advance. Now, for being flexible, you want to consider flying midweek like Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday, or during off-peak seasons like August or mid-year. Now, for destination, you want to explore alternative destinations or consider flying into nearby airports. And lastly, you want to lay over flights. Uncheck the direct flights only box on comparison websites to see if flights with connections are cheaper according to Save the Student. And of course, lastly, you want to utilize comparison websites and tools. Number 1, Webjet. Use their flight search tool to compare prices from various airlines and explore international prices. For example, I'm going to go ahead and hit random flights right here. And then we can then go ahead and see the prices for these said flights. Now you can compare flights from different websites out there by using the comparison tools. Another tool is going to be Expedia. So we have this one. And lastly, I suggest using Traveloka. Now, for my final tip, you want to be aware of potential price increases. Number 1 is the fuel cost. Fuel prices can significantly impact flight costs, so you can just go ahead and search those up. And lastly, we have seasonality. Peak seasons and school holidays will generally be more expensive, so you don't want to fly on those seasons. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.